Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add 3D Zoom Pro effect on Capcut. So there's a lot we can do with Capcut to just edit our videos, and one of them with amazing effect available in Capcut, that's 3D Zoom Pro. So how to just tap on new project and select the image or photo you like to edit. I already have one project here with some images, and tap on the clip, select style button and select motion and select 3D Zoom Pro here and just wait. So this effect can be used for the image only, not for videos. So just click check mark. So here we go, this is the panel effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.